Okay, I'm going to ask Perplexity AI to give me about 15 business ideas that I can start in 2025 that can make me, let's say, about minimum of $2,000 a month, right? So this is the search bar right here, and you can see whenever you could ask any question you want, and then you could pick auto. You could pick one of these criterias to do the search with. You could leave it on auto. If it's a hard question, I would probably put deep research or reasoning, but auto will do it because right now we're not trying to do anything extreme. So the question is, let me just put, let's see, give me 1 second. Uh, let's say give me 15 best business ideas I can start in 2025 that I could start at 2025. Uh, each business idea. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep. Let's leave it with that. Just give me 15 business ideas. As a matter of fact, let's put online business ideas because I don't want it to be any type of business. Okay, so boom. So let's see. In the e-commerce section, you can start an online store selling physical product, digital product. You could do drop shipping. I wouldn't do drop shipping, but okay. Uh, DIY or hobby kits. Okay. Content creation and digital products, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is super dope. Digital product store, yes. Courses, templates, ebooks, photography presets, video presets, yes. Blogging or newsletter. Now, with the rise of AI, it's easier to do blogs, to have a blog because now you could write faster. You can have ChatGPT or Perplexity help you out. Voiceover services, yeah, that works too. Coaching, online course creation, yes. Digital awareness, yes, yes. Creating, creative services, freelancing, okay, niche market. I think out of everything, I would probably do. Why it doesn't have YouTube on there? I would probably do affiliate marketing, but to do affiliate marketing, I would need to be getting the traffic somewhere. So I would probably have a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel to generate the traffic to my affiliate links. Okay, now, excuse me, you can see the numbers right next to it, right? This is basically the reference. This is where Perplexity are getting their information from. Now, if you click this, it's going to take you to whatever website it grabbed the information from. So instead of you having to read multiple articles, you could have Perplexity read the articles for you and summarize it into exactly what you're looking for. Next to it, I think it was a 4. And this is another website. You can see there's multiple articles out here on the same topic, but Perplexity just came in and gave me the best answers, or kind of the best. You get it. So I'm just showing you the basics. This thing could do a lot, but I'm just showing you the basic. I don't go to Google anymore. I just stay on here and ask it whatever I want. Like, let's go ahead and try this, right? Uh, I'm gonna start from scratch. How if I have 10,000 save, tell me the best way to invest that money. Now I'm gonna put reasoning, and now you can see it's thinking. You can see here it's reading, it's searching, it's reading, it's coming up with different It's just moving around the internet trying to come up with answers. And boom, now it's ready for me, right? So you can see with $10,000 to invest, your best approach depends on your risk tolerance, timeline, financial goals, of course. So you can see stock index funds. So it kind of explain, okay, this is what I would do here. Idea timeline, whatever. Bond and stability. You can see here it gives you more information. High year saving accounts, yes. And then you can see it also give you like a little chart, like the different type of investment, the risk level, key benefits, example options, which is super good. Aggressive growth action option. So it basically goes ahead and break things down for you. Of course, I would still revise this with like my financial advisor, but to me this is still good information. You see what I'm saying? So these are the way I use this AI. Instead of having to Google anything, I just come here and just like, hey, tell me how to do this. How would you do this? Solve this problem. Tell me step by step, how should I start my business? Okay, I have a business in this category doing this and that. I have $3,000. I have $2,000 saved. What is my best option to do A, B, C, D? And it will help you out. This is like your personal assistant when it comes up to information. Instead of calling a friend, how do I do? Just ask Perplexity. So yeah, that is it for now.